How to access OnlyFans without a card? To access OnlyFans without using a credit card, there are several alternative methods you can consider. Use a virtual credit card. A virtual credit card is an excellent alternative for making online payments without revealing your actual credit card information. You can obtain one from various services such as privacy.com or Wise. Right now, you can also use a prepaid Visa card. So Visa card, another viable option. You can purchase this card at a retail location or online without needing a credit check. There is also a free trial and free accounts on OnlyFans here. Some creators on OnlyFans offers free trial as well as free account, allowing you to access the content without any payment method initially. Right, you can search for this creator who provide for free. Now, fourth one is the online communities and gift card. While not officially supported by OnlyFans, some users discuss utilizing gift card or community resources on platforms like Reddit to fund their subscription discreetly. This may involve engaging with communities that share gift card codes or tips. Right, so in this way you can get this up. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.